You are tuned into Digital Abhi. In this episode, we will see how to enable and disable comments in WordPress. So let's get started. There are two ways by which we can enable and disable comments in WordPress. We will see both of them. One thing you need to know before moving on is that by default, comments are enabled on posts and disabled on pages. So we will see how you can enable and disable comments on posts and pages. So let's understand this by an example. So click on posts in the left sidebar, and by the example of this post which is in front of you, we will see how you can enable and disable comments in WordPress. When you will click on edit, the post will get opened. In the right sidebar, scroll a little bit and you will see an option of discussion. Click on it. In the discussion tab, you will see a checkbox of allow comments. And as I told you, in posts, by default, the comments are enabled. So if you want to disable the comments on this post, just untick this box and click on update. The post is updated and now no more comments will be allowed on this post. And if you want to enable again, so this was the first way by which you can enable or disable comments. The second way to enable or disable comments is by clicking on quick edit, and in quick edit moving on to the option of allow comments, and here if you will tick the checkbox, the comments will get enabled, and if you will untick the checkbox, the comments will get disabled. So just tick or untick the checkbox and click on update, and your settings will be saved. To enable or disable comments on pages, the process is exactly same. You have to click on edit or quick edit, and then in the right sidebar you have to click on discussion and then tick or untick the option of allow comments to save the settings as per your requirement. So that's how you can enable or disable comments in WordPress. This was all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned to Digital Abhi.